coefficient of friction between A and B is 0.1 and between B and C is 0.8. Find the minimum force F needed to prevent the object B from sliding down and find the acceleration of A. Guys, I've tried the question now. Initially, they're asking us to find the force that F value, the force F that we need to stop B sliding down. So downward force by B, that's 100 Newton. So we need frictional force 100 Newton up. So that means there must be a force this way, a reaction force, right? And this F will supply that reaction force. So even if we apply any value here, the same value goes to B. When we apply 100 Newton value on A, the same value will goes to B, right? Then, so let's apply F equals mu R for B. Then force required is 100 Newton, we know that. And then mu value they have given as 0.8 R required R value. So R equals 100 divided by 0.8. So R equals 1000 divided by 8, 125 newtons, right? We have the R value now. So that means same value F, it has to be 125 Newton. So we have the first answer, right? Now let's move into the second part of the question. So they are telling to find the friction, find the acceleration of A, right? Now we are applying only 125 Newton here. So downward force, it has to be 200 Newton. So let's find the frictional value up. F equals mu R, mu is 0.1, 125 force is applied. So 12.5 Newton up. Right. So obviously it is sliding down. So let's apply F equals ma for A. So downward force we have 200 minus 12.5 equals 0.20 into acceleration. So A equals, yes, we get 187.5, 28. So A equals 187.5 divided by 20, 18.75 divided by 2. So it's 9 point, almost close to 38 acceleration meters per square. Right. So that's the second answer. Right. I hope you have got the answers. If so, then you know how to apply all the theories. That's great. And if you couldn't, yes, find similar type of questions and try again and again. And if you think this question is valuable, yes, share it with your friends, study together and win together.